With all the economic fluctuations lately, there's one thing that seems to be rising to the top as the safe bet. This morning we're talking about investing in gold and silver with David Morgan, the publisher of the Morgan Report. Thanks for stopping by.
Well, Scott,
thanks for bringing some gold with you. We always like it when you guys bring in some money. This is important because when people are considering investments, especially with the instability of the global markets and with the financial structure, people are just really looking at gold and investing in gold in the last, not just few months, but we're talking several years. It's just been skyrocketing. Well,
it's been a bull market for 10 years. It certainly fluctuates, especially the last few trading days. But gold is the money of all time. People have been investing in gold for thousands of years. And these uncertain economic times, you see more and more people moving into the gold sector. So when you talk to people about investing, do you point them in that direction still saying, or has gold really, hit that point where, okay, it's leveling off now? What do you say? Well, it's going to, like all markets, move up and down. But no, as long as the debt-based monetary system continues and the government keeps printing money, it's not just the United States government, but central banks around the world, there's going to be pressure on gold to move up in price. That's a fact, and that's going to continue. So what's the easiest way for people to invest in gold other than just going out to one of these ATMs they have in Dubai where you can actually, put in money and get a gold bar minted right there for you? What's the easiest and simplest way for people to do that? Well, there's a couple ways. One is to go to a local dealer. I mean, there's a mint right here in the Salt Lake area that you can go to, buy direct through the mint, which saves you the middleman. There's also a lot of middlemen. You can go on the internet. You can look it up in a phone book. There's several methods to go through, but most people have never bought gold before, so they find it cumbersome. But it's probably easier to buy gold than to buy any stock, for example. That's interesting. And you brought a few samples here of some coins, both gold and silver coins here. And some people find it, it's a fun way to collect and also invest at the same time. Absolutely. I mean, gold, like I said, has been in a bull market for 10 years. It's been from 252 to already to about 1,900 an ounce. So it's been a very strong market, and I think it's going to continue for some time. And you got these coins again from Old Glory Mint, based here in the Salt Lake area. Okay. And then you also brought one of these commemorative coins. This is fun to look at. This is commemorating the Utah Legal Tender Act. Right here. Tell us a little bit about that. That allows people to use gold and silver coins, again, minted coins here in Utah for legal tender. Absolutely, on a voluntary basis. So you can actually do any transaction you can consider as long as it's, acceptable on both sides. And I think it's really going to catch fire. Utah's the first state to enact this into law. And there are 10 other states that have tried or had proposals similar to this one, but Utah's the first one. I commend Utah for doing that. So you're going to see, I think, more and more states come to the front and actually use legal tender coins in transactions. Well, we've just got a few more seconds. I want people to know about gold ETFs and gold trust, why those are options for them. Well, they're easy. They're trade like a stock. You can do it with a mouse click, but I don't consider it to be as sound an investment as a physical gold holdings, but as an option, it's certainly a viable one. Okay. David, we appreciate your time this morning. Thanks again. Are you going to leave these coins here? No. Okay. Coming back. They're going back, and we'll be right back. Don't go away. Your final check on traffic and weather coming up.